Hi guys! Today I'm going to be doing my hair Hedy Lamarr style. I would normally do pin curls at night and sleep in them, but we're going to try it during the day. I'll go about and do my things and let my hair dry. I've just washed it and it's still moist. I hope it's moist enough because you should do it with moist hair. Is there a better word for that? I don't want to say wet hair because it shouldn't be just dripping wet, because it needs to dry. It needs to fully dry before you take the pin curls out and brush it, or you will have failed. So my hair is still a little wet and we're just gonna leave this set in for a couple hours till it dries, and then I'll take it out again and we'll see how it works. Today I am following a guide I found online, actually. I was looking for some more pin curl ideas and I found one specifically for Hedy Lamarr. I will share that link down below because this website looks like it has a lot of fantastic information. Normally I just kind of do my own thing and put a bunch of pin curls in and, you know, just do crazy things to my hair. No, I just didn't follow a guide and I tried to figure it out on my own. But this is a new way of doing it for me, and I look forward to seeing how that works. So let's just get started before my hair dries. Okay, so you're gonna need one of these. So I'm just making sure it's in frame. I've got my little camera down there anyway. Ah, fuzzy's in there. I hate that. So you'll need that just, you know, to part your hair. And you'll need some kind of little clips. I've got two different kinds here. I'll see which ones work best. Hey cat. I've got big ones and small ones. You can use bobby pins as well, whatever works for you. Yes, I hear you. It's Elliot again. So, okay, we're going to start. First, I'll give you a look at this guide so you can see what we are doing here. We're going to have a couple, oh gosh, what are they called? Does it say? Stand-up curls. You're gonna have some stand-up curls in the front, along the side, and then in the back, just pin curls. So here we go. Got a mirror over here, that's what I'm looking at if I'm looking over here. Got my phone down here, controlling the camera, that's what I'm looking at down there. So let's get this straight. I feel like I look better in the mirror than I do on camera. Why? Actually, I did read why. Because your face is not symmetrical and you're used to seeing it one way and not the other way on camera. Okay, my fringe does not want to part. All right, well, okay, I'm just going to pin that down. Okay, and I know it never wants to do that. So I might have a little difficulty with this in the front because my fringe is short. But let's see. I'll do my best to follow this guide. Although, because of the fringe, I might have to alter it. I'll try not to hide this from you. Let's see, how can we see this? I'll do it. It's always hard for me to do this with the short hair. Anyone got some tips? I usually just don't pin curl my fringe and I just pin it back. Oh, see, it just sticks up. I don't know about that. How do we do it? Where'd the long one go? Where's the hole? Please stay. Okay, these are not gonna turn out right. Forgive me. I hope you have longer hair in the front. It should work a lot better for you. Tuck that in. I'll just try that. I like the longer ones for this because then I'm not as afraid that it's gonna pop out. I don't know how they have so many of these on the side of this head here. I don't know. Well, this person doesn't have a fringe, so Hedy doesn't have a fringe. I'm not used to making stand-up curls. Oh, so why? I mean, I do them for that Audrey look, but I don't know why I'm having trouble with this now. Let's try some of these little ones. I'm gonna do it on both sides. I've really been at this for 10 minutes already. Oh my gosh. That didn't even work. My hair is gonna dry before I get this done. Well, it's not going to look as pretty as this example here. As long as it turns out okay in the end, I guess. Thank goodness I get to do pin curls in the back. Did I get it? Pin curl time. Did not bring my bobby pins. Okay, well, we'll just use these. So these will lay flat against your head. Okay. It's a complete mess. Doesn't look a thing like the tutorial. I'm pinning that on top of another one. Can you see my head? I I've had a tag sticking up the whole time. Oh, guys. Oh, and the back. That's what the back of my head looks like. Quite a mess, indeed. But hopefully it will work. All right, so hair has been pin curled. And now I'm just going to, actually I'm going to spritz it a little bit to get it wet slightly again because it dried over the past 20 minutes. And then I'm just going to sit back, do some computer work, eat lunch, and in a couple hours we'll see how that turned out. Hopefully I look as beautiful as Hedy Lamarr. Or Vivian Lee. If you've noticed, they have very similar hairstyles in a lot of photos. I believe Hedy was inspiration for a lot of actresses and women because she was lovely. So, all right, I'll be back in a couple hours. Wish me luck. Okay, I'm back. Now it's time to take these out and see what my hair looks like. First, we make a little pit stop into Shirley Temple land. Anyway, well, it curled it so nicely, and now we need to brush it out. It does not give any directions as to how to brush it out, so. Oh boy. Well, of course, shouldn't have a fringe like that. Well, if I had my bobby pins, I would pin those down. Darn it, I didn't bring my bobby pins. Let's just, here, just imagine. There. Now we can imagine those are bobby pins and you don't see them. That's what the back looks like. No, I didn't brush it out fully because her hair is pretty fluffy and curly. And I think it's probably preference how much you want to brush those curls in. We could do a little more. But it's not like she had, well, I mean, she could have done it multiple ways on multiple days, obviously. But it looks pretty nice, I think. What's that one? Except that. Did something wrong there. Ignore that too. Just brush it in. There. Much better. Wow, it's very cute. Thoughts? I would do it again. I have to figure that out. Especially for, well, I guess they don't matter because I pinned them back anyway. But Hedy had it nice and fluffy in the front, which I cannot do with a fringe, so I'm sorry. Hopefully you can do it. That's about it. If you'd like to see this whole little booklet, it has 10 different hairstyles, of which I will definitely be trying out a couple more over the next few months or sooner, depending on, you know, how much free time I've got. But you can download that whole booklet, including this Hedy Lamarr tutorial, guide, whatever it's called, at the link below. So try it out. Let me know how it goes for you. Do I look like Hedy Lamarr? Why do I do that? What is that? I don't know. thank you for watching. Looking forward to the next video. So many exciting things to do and share. So if you have any ideas, please let me know in the comments below, or you can find me on Instagram and message me there. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow and whatever else there is here and on Instagram. So let's keep in touch. See you soon.